up, everybody? T-Money here. I wanted to talk about this Boeing because there's a lot of opportunity in a name when it moves from 300 all the way down to a low of 89 like this. And this is, a name that's in play, a lot of volatility, and even though people will say don't catch falling knives, we can be tactical with something like this and give ourselves some really good opportunities risk reward wise. So I just want to talk about this. So I was talking about it in the chat 2 days ago, and when the first thing that I was looking at in this Boeing is the monthly chart. We zoom out. I want to get a good overall picture of where this thing is. So when we look at the monthly chart here, it was trading in the mid 90s, and this was a prior breakout area around here, which, as we know, can act as support, as well as we have this volume profile accumulation here, which is an area that can act as support as well. So when a stock like Boeing comes from 350 all the way to 89, what is that, 70%, 60, whatever, there's some opportunity. So we have our monthly chart levels. That's the first thing I'm keeping in mind for an area for a bounce in this Boeing. Then we'll come on over to the weekly chart. Same thing. I wasn't looking at the weekly chart too much. We have this 100 level here and pretty much tells us the same story. But then when we come over to the daily chart here, there was one other thing that I saw in this name that I really liked, and that was the volume. So when we're looking for capitulation and a bottom in a particular name, volume is going to be one of the most important indicators that we're looking at. So this thing's selling off, volume's picking up a lot. Even here, there's a lot of volume, but I'm still not touching this thing. Then right around these 2 days is where I really started to get interested. And you'll notice here, this is where volume really, really picks up. But the key here is volume picked up a lot, but price stopped changing. One of my old mentors his best setups were trading capitulation moves and parabolic moves, and he always said when shares start to change hands at a very high pace but price is not either moving up or down, that's a potential sign of a bottom. So that was really what I was looking at here. And then lo and behold, we get a nice 2-day move in this Boeing, and it even started to show relative strength yesterday to the market right around here. Could have got a move from 100 to 127 in 2 days. I think 130 after hours. So 20, 25, 30% move in 2 days. That's a great opportunity. Now, that's everything I was looking at with the technicals here. I still managed to fuck this trade up. I bought 97 on this day, kicked some for a day trade, and then got stopped out. And then I bought 101 on this day and got stopped out. I mean, my biggest problem the past 2 weeks in this market has been not giving things enough room. So, even doing this video is a learning opportunity like myself, but my overall thesis still remained intact where, I was stopping out on my day trade when the daily chart setup was still intact and still showing me signs of it doing what I wanted to do. And then I, was too heavy initially on my day trade, so then that took me out for the rest of the day to then go ahead and hit it again. But yeah, that's what I was looking at in this Boeing. Let me know if you guys find this useful, if you have any charts or anything you want me to check out.